Reagan with the Doherty Real Estate Group here at the Ladera Ranch Farmers Market, and today I am here with Isabelle. Say hi.
Hello.
So tell me a little bit about what your company is here. What do you guys sell?
Okay, so our company is called Mmmm Good Foods, and we have this Pistachios product. So these pistachios are fresh from Central California. We have a raw and unsalted one, which I think is better for baking or just throwing in fresh products. And then we have a roasted and salted that's going to be an extra large size, so it's bigger than what you'd get at most stores.
Okay, very cool. And where are your products grown? I think you said Central California is most of them?
Yeah, so they're both grown in Central California, kind of around the Modesto area.
Okay.
So like when you drive through and you see all those like setups of farms, it's out there. It's
cool.
like hidden in the middle of nowhere, and then they're all packaged in Southern California.
Very nice. And do you know why this company got started and why pistachios?
So my boss has been dealing with nuts and dried fruits for over 20 years.
Wow.
And she really wanted to do a product that there's not too much competition from someone who really knows. So there's really only one other pistachio brand on the market that most people think of. And she has kind of an intimate knowledge of how they work and how the farms work. And so she wanted to create a product that was different and that kind of had the taste from someone who knows. So the big thing about these products is even though they're packaged, they're all fresh, direct from the farm, and they have kind of a taste acquired to what she thinks is the best. So like these are salted but very lightly. And then these, because they're so fresh, they taste really good. You don't have to roast them to kind of get rid of what might be like an older flavor.
Okay, so they're just very fresh, real pistachio taste is what I'm hearing.
Exactly.
Very cool. So what makes these so different? I know you said we know there's one big pistachio person on the market.
Yes.
And you guys are trying to make something a little different. What is so different?
Regarding these ones, I think the in-shell, they're just going to be a little bit bigger, and there's a slightly different taste that you get from it that I think is something that's, I guess, significant for people who want to snack. And then with the raw, it's just the ability to do whatever you want. So I really like to bake, and I think it's nice not only to have it resealable, because a lot of, I feel like nut packages, you can't seal back up. They get everywhere. It's kind of like a mess. And also the taste of ones that are already kind of roasted in stores doesn't allow you to play around with the flavors. So it's giving the customer the option to do that while also keeping them healthier because they are raw and there's no salt on these. So really the sky's the limit.
I love that. Very cool. Well, what do you want people watching this to know about your guys' company so they come out here and sell out all your pistachios?
We only work with fresh products, so once we run out of what we have packaged, we wait until we have the new crop from the farm. And that we also have them on Amazon in the meantime. For some reason, we're missing from whatever week, they're still available to buy.
Very nice. Well, thank you so much. Everyone, make sure to come on down to the Ladera Ranch Farmers Market every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sell out all their pistachios. And if you know any other small businesses looking to be featured, make sure to reach out to us. Thank you so much again. It was great meeting you.
Thank you.
And thank you guys for watching. Bye.